Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro M1214 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro M1214 printer support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with HP LaserJet Pro M1214 NFH multifunction printer. Go ahead and open that up. Should be directly hosted on HP's support website here. Scrolling down, you want to go underneath the driver product installation software and select the HP LaserJet full feature software and driver package. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up those files to extract them. And it should be a verified publisher, Hewlett Packard Company. Select yes. And then proceed with the wizard here. So you can select either easy install or advanced install if you want to do additional customizations here. And then you want to select the HP LaserJet Pro and then the M1216 should be on the list here. Select next. And then you can select if you want to configure it over the network or via USB connection, and then select next again, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.